tease me, baby. You got what I want and what I need, baby. Let me hear you say, please. Let me hear you say, please.
Hey Forever Dolls, welcome back to my channel. So today is the day that I am building my copycat Vanity cat. Okay, let's start all over. Hey Forever Dolls, how you doing? So today is the day that I am building my copycat Vanity. You guys, I just woke up. I look like crap. I didn't do my makeup. You know, I just threw a wig on and was like, okay, let's record this video before I go to work. You guys need to see it. So here it is. I'm recording it. And yeah. So you guys, as you know, I went to Michael's in the previous video, and I did go and get the the copycat Alex drawers, which is from Michael's, and I will list all of that down below for you guys. But yeah, we're gonna start building. How about that? Right there, and then I'm gonna bring it down some. Okay, so guys, this is pretty much me on the floor getting ready to build this stuff. This is the box that it came in. It came in this box. Like I said, it comes from Michael's. I will have it linked all down below in the description box so that you guys can go and purchase it, and also use a coupon when you're buying it. I will put the coupon down below for you guys as well, because I know that that is real important. Okay. And I just really feel like it's really dark. I don't know if I should turn the light on or what. I mean, I'm just vlogging, right? Okay, so you guys, I am going by these instructions that I just happen to be doing myself. And let me tell y'all, I'm not good when it comes to putting the instructions together. I suck. So we're gonna start building this thing, and I'm gonna let you guys know how I go. I'm working on this board right now. This is the first board that I started opening the box. I'm gonna work on this board, you guys, and then I'm gonna come back and show you how my progress is going. Hey guys, so I'm back. Okay, so pretty much I have the desk, the drawers kind of put together. The only thing that I'm doing right now is the drawers, y'all. It is so tedious, but I'm getting it done for you guys so that I can show you this Ikea Alex 9 drawer dupe. Okay, you guys, so I put the desk up. I put the vanity desk up, you guys. I'm gonna add some chairs and I'm gonna put some like little fixtures here and stuff like that. There was 2 drawers that I had to put together, you guys. So just remember that they don't come in a pair. They come separately. You have to buy them separately. You guys, in part 2 I will show you guys the lacks that I'm gonna put on the sides of the vanity, and then I'll show you guys the complete whole room in part 3. See you guys later. Bye.